Hello, friends. Let's find out what's inside the egg. Look, the egg is shaking. Oh, the egg is cracking. Something is inside. Can you guess what it is? A beautiful butterfly. Are you ready for the next egg? What do you think this is? It's a little chick. Look, another egg. Can you guess what it is? It's a bunny. Here comes the next one. Can you guess? It's a flower. Let's see what's inside the next egg. Can you guess what it is? A cute little bird. Here comes the next egg. Can you guess? It's a carrot. I wonder what's inside this egg. What could it be? It's a sweet candy. Here comes the last egg. Do you know what it is? This is a lamb. Which egg was your favorite? Thanks for playing. Bye-bye.